Today on Orozco's Kitchen, I'm going to be reviewing this blender sent to me by Amzchef. Thank you. So this blender is a gray colored. You can do all sorts of different things on it. You can make ice cream, you can make smoothies, you can make salsas, you can blend juices on here, whatever you want. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to put it on the base. We're going to put the lid on it. And we're going to go ahead and plug this in and give it a test run. I like to give it a test run before I start just to make sure I know all the functions of the blender. And we're going to turn it up all the way and see how it performs. It's pretty loud and it's pretty powerful, so this thing I know is going to blend really well. Alright, so like I said, we're going to be doing a smoothie today. I'm going to show you how fast this blade is. Look, full blast. Okay, so get yourself some fresh strawberries, wash them, and then start chopping it up on a cutting board. So I'm going to go ahead and use about 5 strawberries here, cut off the stems, and I'm going to go ahead and throw them into my blender here. And this blender is made out of plastic. I'm going to throw some bananas in here, just one. And then organic protein, the vanilla. This one you can buy from Trader Joe's. This is the one I like. And then get some milk. You can use any kind of milk. And then we're going to throw some ice in there as well. This is how I like my smoothie. It's really great. And go ahead and pump this thing to the max and blend it, and let's see how it turns out, guys. Okay, so our smoothie is pretty much almost done here, and I'm gonna go ahead and get a cup ready and pour in our smoothie. And check this out, look at how delicious this is. I've actually been drinking one of these every day and it's great. Thanks for watching.